Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and to today's video. This is an unboxing video today for the December box of Tribe Beauty. This is the second box I've received from the Tribe Beauty. This is a subscription box, it's every 2 months. It is the most expensive box I think that I actually subscribe to. It's £37.99, so call it £38. It includes free UK delivery. If you work that out, because it's every 2 months, it's like £19 a month. You do get to customise ever so slightly with these boxes. There's always a choice of like a palette, or I think this time the choice was between 2 different shades of highlighters. I chose the lighter one because the other one was really dark, more like a bronzer actually. Other than that, you're never really sure what's going to be in there. There is normally a palette of some sort. This particular box I do know has been curated with the help of Angelica Nyqvist, who is a beauty influencer on YouTube. I will try and link her channel down below in the description if you want to go and check her channel out. Let's get into it. Let's open it up. Got me tweezers ready because there's some sellotape on the bottom. Here we go. Ooh, 1, 2. Oops, hang on a minute. Oh, God, blimey. There we go. 3. 1, 2, and that one 3. So let's open it up. God, blimey, it's a bit packed. There we go, everybody. Oh, something's fallen out. Let's have a look. What's fallen out? Okay. Alright, this is a little box and it says Vixen Potion on it. There we go. I'm going to have to look at that there. This is what made me giggle. Make you cause euphoria. There we go. What on earth is this? Let's have a look. That's the tweezers. What is it? Okay, Venus Scale Cosmetics, right. Oh, wow. Oh, right. Here's the little tub that's inside, and it looks to be like a loose glitter. Now, as you can see on my thumb, there is some of the products come out. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Oh yes, look, it is. It's a loose glitter. I'm trying, there we go. I don't know if you can see that. I've got glitter flakes going absolutely everywhere here. Wow, let's see if I can get any out the lid. I'm going to get a brush actually. Let's see what we can do. I'm just picking out the excess out the lid. Let's see if we can swatch it in any way. I don't think it's going to work with it being... No, it is a true loose glitter. Okay, glitter glue. Let's get the glitter glue out. We've got to give this a go because I'm completely intrigued. I've got bits, I don't know if you can see it, but there are bits of glitter flying absolutely everywhere at the moment in my front room. There we go, we'll put a strip of glitter glue on my arm, and oh no, they're flakes. Oh wow, I'm going to show you. They're glitter flakes. Alright, I'm not going to hold my arm up. There's no wonder they're going all over the place. I'm just going to pop some of this on my arm where I've popped the glitter glue. I'll tell you what it reminds me of. I don't know if anybody's ever used it, but it reminds me of working with gold leaf. If you've ever tried working with gold leaf, it's incredibly awkward and it just flies all over the place. And this is what this is like. You've kind of got to dip the brush in and then sort of pat it on. Oh wow. Now at the moment I'm getting like pink, gold, a little bit of purpley colour reflex and shift to it. There we go. Right, I'm going to try and hold my arm up so you can see. Wow, look at that. That's amazing. Oh, I can't wait to have a play with that. Wow. Okay, right. So that's the first item in the box. Next, there are flakes everywhere, I have to say. That is a bit messy. That's a bit messy. What we got here, this is by a company called Cystine. There are two of them. Herbal Collagen Retinol Cherub Eye Mask. Here we go. See, I can just, there you go, there's the packaging. And there are two lots. So that'll be nice. That'll give a really good try out. It says, for optimal results, keep masking in our jellies at least 3 times per week. Single use only pack. Right. All naturally derived ingredients, paraben and sulfate free, no fragrances and no artificial colouring. Oh, that's fab. Oh, that's really good. I'm really intrigued to try those. That's really nice. I like that. I've been wanting to try some eye masks, so. Oh, wow. I know what these are. I'm just going to open them up, and I know the company these are from. Oh, wow. This is a set of brushes from Clionadh Cosmetics. Now, Clionadh Cosmetics are a Canadian indie brand of makeup that I am desperate to do an order from. And would you believe these brushes, I've got my eye on these brushes. I cannot believe it. I think these brushes retail for about, I think they're about £25, £30 for the 5. But they are absolutely stunning. I'm just going to take one out of the packaging. This is obviously a big fluffy blender brush. Oh, that's so soft. But just look. This is part of their stained glass collection. Absolutely stunning collection. You can see the Clionadh Cosmetics there. Oh my word. Now I have to say, for me, this box, these are worth the price of this box. Because they're in Canada, like I say, I think the brushes, these would work out about £25, £30. But then the shipping from Canada is horrendously expensive. I think when I had a try with it, I think it was gonna charge me something like, was it £14 for delivery? So yeah, that is, oh my goodness, oh, I am so excited for that. That is amazing. I can't believe we've got a set of Clionadh brushes. Oh, wow. Okay, happy bunny, very, very happy bunny. That is awesome. The next product in the box is the highlighter. It's a duochrome highlighter by Makeup Geek. And I chose the shade, whoops, sorry, that was a bit high. I chose the shade Psychedelic. So this is intriguing me about it. It's the fact that they call it a multi-chrome highlighter. So let's get it open. I've never had anything from Makeup Geek before. Ooh, stylish packaging. Look at that. That's nice. And here we go. It does have a mirror, so I'm going to turn it upside down. So this is the Psychedelic highlighter. Like I say, the other option that you could get was a really, really dark one. Now then, I've got glitter flakes all over the place, so this could be interesting. I'm going to give it a swatch. Ooh, feels nice and soft. Oh wow, yeah, it's got a right, there we go. It's got a right goldy shift in it. Goldy bluish shift. Let's swatch this right under there. Let's see what we get. Can we see? Oh, look. Oh, now then. Yeah, there's definitely gold and pink in there. Ooh. Alright, I'll be interested to try that. I'm still not sure whether or not that might be a bit dark for me. I know that sounds odd because it's really light, but we shall see. We shall see. I'm just going to get a wipe because yeah. So just excuse me a moment. Here we go. Wipe that off. And what's the next one? The next item in the box, when I can pick it up. Ooh, it's a Gerard Cosmetics. And it's a lipstick. What shade have we got here? Ooh, Mystic Moon. Ooh, if it's that colour, if it's that goldy colour, I'm going to be quite chuffed with that. That's a bit different, isn't it? Let's have a look. Ooh, crikey. Oh my gosh. Right, well, it's a bullet lipstick and the inner packaging is like a bullet. Here we go. And it's actually quite heavy. It's heavier than potentially what it looks. Oh, it's not. That's a shame. It's just a nude, a light brown nude lipstick. I was really hoping that was going to be gold. Never mind. Doesn't matter. Let's give a swatch. Here we go. Next to the highlighter. There we go. Yeah, that's alright. That's a nice... nice nudie colour. It's nice and soft, I have to say. A little bit of scent to it, but nothing major. Okay, I'm gonna look forward to trying that out. I will of course be filming a video trialling all the products that are in this box. So keep an eye out for that. Make sure you're subscribed and you've got your notification bell on so you don't miss it. And the last item in the box is a palette by the company Glamlite. These were a company, or are a company, that was on my radar of brands that I would like to try. And so I'm very, very pleased that this is in here. It was kind of the thing that tipped me over, if I'm honest, into purchasing the box this time. I wasn't sure whether or not I was going to get it. But this is a palette that is called the Miracle Palette, and I'm not sure if you can see that beautiful little pink bow there. For those of you in the UK, or hopefully across the world, you will know that that is in support of cancer, breast cancer research. So if you're thinking of getting this palette, there's a little added incentive to buy it, if you know, whether you get it in this box, whether you go onto the Glamlite website and purchase it that way. You're going to be helping breast cancer support. Here we go. Ooh, ooh, beautiful mirror. Ooh, okay, here we go. I'm going to try and, no, I don't want to, I'm going to do this upside down because I don't want to blind you with the mirror. But lots of very pinks and reds, a couple of neutrally tones in there. I'm just going to swatch a couple. Let's have a look. What am I going to swatch? I'm going to swatch Angelic. That's a shimmer. Ooh, that feels nice. And Superwoman. That's a matte. Let's have a look at that. So that's Superwoman, the pinky one, and this is Angelic, and I'm just going to swatch them underneath the lipstick. There we go. Cool, that's quite a bright pink, matte, and there's the shimmer. Ooh, pretty. All right, okay. Not entirely my colours, I have to say. I'm sure you all know I'm not a pink girl. But you know what? I am going to have fun playing with this and creating a look for you. So that's everything. That's our items in the box. So I'm not entirely sure how much this palette retails for. I think it's about £35. So again, just this on its own, the box is definitely worth it. Especially when you add in, you know, your Cliona brushes. I mean, the colour scheme, look at this, if I can try and hold everything. Just look at how well the colour scheme of everything matches in. There we go. And then, of course, if I can just hold that, there we go. And then, of course, we've got the lipstick as well. So we've got 5 items, £38. I'm actually really pleased with this box, but let me know what you think. Do you currently get the Tribe Beauty box? Is it a box that you like? If you don't get it, do you think this might have persuaded you to go and purchase it? If so, I will have Tribe Beauty's website linked down below in the description box. Thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you've enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up if you have. Like I say, please make sure you subscribed, got your notification bell on. Let everybody know where I am. And I shall see you in the next one.